Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Crunchyroll error code P-KAT-6005 or Crunchyroll not working problem on Xbox. So if you're getting this error, oops, something went wrong, error code P-KAT-6005 in Crunchyroll, then here what you can do. Now the problem is not on your side, the problem is from the Crunchyroll side. They are currently facing the problem in their online services, which generally happens when Crunchyroll server is down, having outage, or if their servers are offline. You can check the Crunchyroll server status from the following sources. This is the official Crunchyroll website and this is a down detector website. So if you check the down detector website, you can see there's Crunchyroll user reports show possible problems with Crunchyrolls. So there are lots of users reporting the issues on down detector website. You can also check Crunchyroll server status on their official website. If you find that the server status is offline, having outage or any kind of issue in their server, then you might get this error code P-KAT-6005. So in such scenario, you can't do anything. You have to just wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check. In the meantime, you can restart your device. So simply restart your device and then check if your Crunchyroll is working or not, or you can simply restart your Wi-Fi router and then check if your Crunchyroll is working or not. Fix is to try using mobile data or cellular data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can try to connect to different Wi-Fi network and then check. Fix is to clear alternate MAC address. Now this fix is particularly for the Xbox consoles. So if you're getting this error in your Xbox console, then you can follow the fix 3 as well. So the fix 3 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address, and then click on clear and then click on restart. This will restart your Xbox console and then you can go ahead along the Crunchyroll app and check if your problem is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve oops, something went wrong error code P-KAT-6005 in Crunchyroll, but basically the problem is due to the server outage or server issues. So you have to just wait for the server to get back online and then you can check. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.